All right, this is the dictionary problem for the final exam, the final coding exam. Um, we are to return a list of keys in increasing order in a dictionary where the value only appears once. So, here the key value 1 has a 1, 3 has a 2, but there are 3 zeros in there. So the values that contain that duplicate 0 or that duplicate value are not included. So it just be 1, 3, and 8. That is also not it. So here I have 3 lists. I have final key list, new value list, and new key list. So for the key and value, this code is essentially just creating a list for the keys and a list for the values. And this one I actually had to go into the Google Colab Python basics thing that you had posted. I go there pretty often for some of my, or I guess just for like inspiration on like how to approach a problem. Initially, the way that I was doing it was doing a dot values or dot keys for this dictionary. But when that would print out, it would give you a list of the values, but it would also give you it was like a string because it would say like dictionary values or dictionary keys, and then give you the values for that or the keys for that. And that's just not gonna work for like iteration and stuff like that. And I tried to like manipulate the strings, but it was just like too much. So way easier to just iterate through the items in a dictionary and then append the values and the keys to new lists. And then they're, mutable that way. So this code right here, this enumerate function, didn't know existed, but pretty handy. Prints out the index as well as the element next to it. So that's pretty useful. So we're enumerating the value list because we're checking to see if any numbers are duplicates. And essentially we're just saying, I took advantage of the dot count function, or I guess it would be like a method. Yeah. So I turned the value list into a string, and then I did a count of that element. If the count of that element is only 1, then you can append that key to the final key list. And so that's what I've got here. I'll run it again. 138. Although, if we wanted to do a dot sort, or if we wanted to sort it, can we do I can't exactly remember the function of it, because while I guess it would be, yeah, we'll just do a quick sorting for it. Because while this is, in the terms of the list, this is inherently in order, the way that the list is made, but it's not gonna give you, it's not gonna give it to you in increasing order every single time, like just naturally, because that's just the way that the dictionary was written. It just is in natural order, but now every time it should actually be in order. Thank you for watching.